Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all my dear listeners. So once again welcome to Kami Academy. In this video we are going to practice some daily routine sentences. So let's start. If you are new on my channel kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. मैं कौन होता हूँ तुम्हें माफ़ करने वाला? Who am I to forgive you? Who am I to forgive you? तुम मुझे पागल कर दोगे. You will make me mad. You will make me mad. You will make me mad. तुम मुझे पागल कर दोगे. दरवाज़ा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door? तुझ में और मुझ में बहुत फ़र्क है. There is a vast difference between me and you. There is vast difference between me and you. आज सुबह मैं देर से बेदार हुआ. I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. आज रात यहीं आराम करो. Take rest here tonight. Take rest here tonight. Take rest here tonight. हम वक्त से पहले पहुंचेंगे. We will reach there before time. We will reach there before time. We will reach there before time. अकल बड़ी की बांस. Wisdom is more powerful than strength. Wisdom is more powerful than strength. ऐसे कैसे बताऊं? How do I tell you like? 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 ऐसे कैसे बताऊं? अपनी दौलत पर फख्र ना करो. Don't be proud on your wealth. Don't be proud on your wealth. मैं सुबह से घर से बाहर हूँ. I am out the house since morning. I am out the house since morning. I am out the house since morning. रात खूब नींद आई. I had a sound sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. मुझे उसके घर जाना है. I have to go to his home. I have to go to his home. I have to go to his home. वो बहुत शकी है. She is so skeptical. She is so skeptical. वो बहुत शकी है. She is so skeptical. खुद को संभालो. Compose yourself. Compose yourself. खुद को संभालो. Compose yourself. तुम मुझे इस तरह हुक्म देने वाले कौन होते हो? Who are you to command me like that? Who are you to command me like that? Who are you to command me like that? पार्टी कब दे रहे हो? When you are giving the party. When you are giving the party. When you are giving the party. पार्टी कब दे रहे हो? तुमने मुझे अपना समझा ही कब है? You have never considered me as your own. You have never considered me as your own. तुमने अभी तक कुछ किया ही क्या है? You have not done anything so far. You have not done anything so far. खाली पेट मेरे दिमाग की बत्ती नहीं जलती. My brain doesn't function on any empty stomach. My brain doesn't function on any empty stomach. वो अपनी उम्र से छोटा लगता है. He looks younger than his age. He looks younger than his age. He looks younger than his age. ये यूं ही ज़बान से निकल गया. It was just a slip of tongue. It was just a slip of tongue. वो तो बस अपने दिन पूरे कर रहा है. He is just dragging on his days. He is just dragging on his days. तुम्हें उसकी उम्र का लिहाज रखना चाहिए था. You should have regarded his age. You should have regarded his age. बीमार की रात पहाड़ बराबर. The sick man's night is as a mountain. The sick man's night is a mountain. करतूत कोई नहीं और लड़ने को तैयार रहते हो. Small in work, great in dispute. Small in work, great in dispute. यार ये बात मैं उसके मुंह पर कह दूंगी. बड़ी I will say this to his face. बड़ी I will say this to his face. मेरा काम बस तुम्हें बताना था. My job was just to tell you. My job was just to tell you. मैं मजबूर हो गया था. I had been compelled. I had been compelled. I had been compelled. मैं मजबूर हो गया था. मैंने तुम्हें पहचाना नहीं. I did not recognize you. I didn't recognize you. या I did not recognize you. क्या दुश्मनी है मुझसे? What enmity do you have with me? What enmity do you have with me? क्या बक रहे हो? What are you blabbering? What are you blabbering? What are you blabbering? क्या बक रहे हो या क्या बकवास कर रहे हो? बराए कराम ताखिर से आने पर मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिएगा. Please excuse me for being late. Please excuse me for being late. उससे मिलने में कोई मुज़ायका नहीं। देयर इज़ नो हार्म इन मीटिंग हिम। देयर इज़ नो हार्म इन मीटिंग हिम। देयर इज़ नो हार्म इन मीटिंग हिम। ये बात तुम्हारे और मेरे दरमियान राज है। इट इज़ अ सीक्रेट बिटवीन you and me. So once again I request all of you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आई होगी। कमेंट्स में ज़रूर अपनी राय का इजहार कीजिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।